Hello students, today I am again here for your video lesson class. So in today's video lesson I will continue chapter number 19. The last we have done the pie chart, exercise 19.2. Now today I am going to discuss with you about the chance and probability. What is chance and probability? So many times we talk about the probability. So we have a, suppose if you see the cloud in the sky, we used to say there is a probability of rain today, or there is a chance of rain today. That means rain may fall or may not fall. There is a confusion, but may fall, may not be fall. So this is called probability. So there is a possibility also, there may not be some possibility. All things comes under probability. In this probability, first is the event that we call an event. Event is each outcome of experiment, a collection of outcome. First of all, probability. Okay. In this first term is event. Event means it is a collection of outcomes. Collection of outcomes. Okay. It is called event. Suppose if you toss coins, what is the probability? It is the probability of maybe it may come tail or it may come head. Okay. If you toss two coins, then what will be the event? Both the coins you get head. In both the coins you may get tail. One in head, another in tail. First one if it tail, another may be head. So these are the probability, but we won't say that what is going to happen. Okay. Next, occurrence of an event. Event that has occurred. Occurrence of an event. Occurrence of an event. Occurrence of an event means the event that actually occurred. Event that actually occurred. Okay. It is called occurrence of an event. Then favorable outcome. Another term is favorable outcome. What are favorable outcomes? Favorable outcomes means the outcomes of an event which ensure that may happen. Outcome which ensure the occurrence of an event. Okay, that is called favorable. If you say toss a coin, what is the favorable event? It may be head, it may be tail. If you toss two coins, favorable outcome may be head, head, tail, tail, head, or tail, tail. So these are the favorable outcomes. Okay. Now linking chances of probability. What is a chance of probability? So what you want, if you want to come a tail out of 2, 1 is probability is 1 by 2. So now the probability of an event. Next term is probability of an event. Probability of an event. That is equal to number of favorable outcomes, number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes of the experiment. So total number of outcomes of an experiment. Okay, of the experiment. It's a particular experiment. When you say, you can say the experiment. Okay, so favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So if when you toss two coins simultaneously, how many favorable outcomes are there? Total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes are 4. But if you want two heads to come, that means probability P of 2 heads is equal to what? 2 heads is only 1. So 1 by total outcome is 4. 1 by 4. What will be the probability of 1 head and 1 tail? Is 1 head and 1 tail is these are 2. So it will be 2 by 4. So 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. The probability of is 1 by 2. So in this way we can find the probability. So this is the formula which we use. Now the sure event. What is sure event? An event which always happens are called sure event, and impossible event, an event which never can happen, so they are called impossible event. Okay, so these are the basic terms related to the probability. Now we will move to exercise number 19.3 and we will do some questions that will help you to understand the chapter more clearly. Okay, now we move to exercise number 19.3. So always you have to remember this formula: probability of an event is equal to number of favorable outcome by total number of outcome of the experiment. Okay. Exercise 19.3. The first question list the outcome you can see in this experiment. The spinning of wheel. How many outcomes you will get? Om Bhurvuvah Swaha Tat Savitur